Georgia is known to be one of the oldest wine producing region in the world, and here are some of the wine bars to visit while you're in Batumi. Number 1 is Wine Carreba. It is located in Europe Square, and this upscale wine bar is so beautiful and has stunning interior. But the fun part about it is the underground wine distillery where you can taste their Georgian wine. You either buy a bottle or sit and enjoy a variety of wines. At number 2 is 8,000 Vintages. Georgia has been producing wine for at least 8,000 years, and I want to believe this beautiful bar was inspired by that. 8,000 Vintages is a wine bar in Old Batumi serving vintage Georgian wine. What I love most about it is the serene and pleasant ambience, and they serve charcuterie boards to pair with your wine. Number 3, we have a traditional wine bar called Wine Notes, located in Europe Square. This is a hidden gem where you can enjoy homemade Georgian wine. At 4, we have Sample Bar, located in Old Batumi. This is also a hidden gem with a cozy and calm ambience. For a great taste of their sushi rolls and, of course, good Georgian wine, it is a must visit. Number 5 is Midi. It is located in Europe Square. It is a great hideaway from the city noise to enjoy some local Georgian wines. What I love most is the service in Midi. It is top-notch. They give you a wine tasting experience for you to choose your preferred wine. At number 6, we have Chaguna. It's a small and very vibrant wine bar where you can spend time with your friends playing billiards and indulge in their local wine as well. Last but not least, at number 7, we have one of my favorite wine bars, Symposium Batumi. This is the most modern wine bar. The ambience is classy, serene, and what I love most is the interior. They also have automated wine dispenser where you insert a billing card to choose your preferred wine measured in the mLs of your choice, between 10 ml, 50 ml, and 100 ml, and at a different cost. I find it a very great concept. You can also enjoy some of their amazing snacks from the snack bar with cold meats and cheese. That's it for today. I hope you check these out when you visit Batumi. Thanks for watching. Ciao!
Que todo es